Mr. Ripen, the honest woodworker. Once upon a time, in a little village by the woods, there was a friendly woodworker named Mr. Ripen. Everybody liked him because he always told the truth and made really cool stuff out of wood. Every day, Mr. Ripen went to the woods where trees were grown for making things. He picked the best wood and made tables, chairs, and toys with it. One day, while he was in the woods, Mr. Ripen found a little bag under a tree. When he looked inside, he saw shiny coins. He knew someone must have dropped it, so he went to find the owner. He asked everyone in the village if they lost a bag, until he found a girl who said it was hers. She was so happy to get it back, and she thanked Mr. Ripen a lot. From then on, everyone knew Mr. Ripen was a very honest person. They liked him even more because he always did the right thing. And Mr. Ripen, well, he just kept making wonderful things out of wood and being the best he could be.